Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the best personal assistant apps for Android and iOS, so let's begin. Music lovers. Ever heard a catchy tune and wished you could find out more about it in an instant? Meet SoundHound AI, your ultimate music discovery companion. With just a tap, SoundHound AI lets you identify any song playing around you, whether it's on the radio, in a cafe, or even in the background of a movie. Just hum or sing a few notes, and SoundHound AI will do the rest. It's like having a personal DJ and music encyclopedia right in your pocket. But that's not all. Dive deeper into your music experience with lyrics, artist info, and album details. And with its smart AI, the app learns what you love, making recommendations that hit all the right notes. Discover new tracks, explore your favorite artists, and never miss a beat. So, what are you waiting for? Download SoundHound AI with the link given in description box and turn every tune into a new adventure. Stay tuned for more updates and keep rocking with SoundHound AI. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Meet your new best friend for smarter living, Amazon Alexa. Glowing star. Imagine having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you out. With Alexa, you can do just that and more. Simply ask, and Alexa can manage your daily tasks, control smart home devices, set reminders, and even entertain you with music, jokes, and trivia. Planning a busy day? Alexa can help you with your schedule, give you traffic updates, and provide the latest news. Need a hand in the kitchen? Ask Alexa for recipe ideas, cooking tips, or even set timers so you can focus on the fun part, eating. Alexa isn't just about convenience, it's about making life easier and more enjoyable. From creating shopping lists to finding your favorite playlists, Alexa's got you covered. And with thousands of skills to explore, there's always something new to discover. Ready to bring a touch of magic into your home? Download the Amazon Alexa app today and let your voice command a world of possibilities. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Welcome to the future of productivity with DataBot AI. Are you tired of drowning in data, trying to make sense of endless numbers and reports? Say hello to your new personal assistant, DataBot AI. Our cutting-edge technology transforms complex data into clear, actionable insights in just seconds. Imagine having a powerful AI at your fingertips, ready to answer your toughest questions, generate custom reports, and even predict trends before they happen. With DataBot AI, you can focus on what truly matters, making strategic decisions and driving your business forward. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. No more sifting through spreadsheets or deciphering confusing charts. Just tell DataBot what you need, and watch as it delivers precise, understandable results. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Download DataBot AI today and experience the future of data analysis. Let us handle the heavy lifting so you can stay ahead of the curve. For more information, visit our website or check out the links below in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest from DataBot AI. Transform your data. Transform your future. With DataBot AI. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Welcome to ChatterBoss, where communication meets innovation. Are you looking to streamline your team's collaboration and boost productivity? Look no further. ChatterBoss is here to revolutionize the way you work together. With ChatterBoss, you get a sleek, intuitive platform that brings your team closer, no matter where they are. Seamlessly chat, share files, and manage projects all in one place. It's not just about messaging, it's about creating a hub where ideas flow freely and collaboration thrives. Imagine having real-time updates, project management tools, and a space where every team member's voice is heard. ChatterBoss makes it easy to stay organized and focused so you can get more done with less hassle. From quick conversations to detailed discussions, everything you need is at your fingertips. And with robust security features, you can trust that your conversations and data are safe. No more juggling between apps. Chatterboss integrates seamlessly with your favorite tools, making it the ultimate solution for dynamic teams. Ready to transform the way you work? Download Chatterboss today and watch your productivity soar from the link given in description. Elevate your communication. Elevate your success with Chatterboss. Now we're heading towards the last but not the least app of the list. Meet your new digital sidekick, Google Assistant. Whether you're managing a busy schedule, seeking quick answers, or just need a hand with daily tasks, Google Assistant is here to make life easier and more fun. Imagine having a smart assistant that's always ready to help, right from your smartphone or smart speaker. With just a simple "Hey Google," you can set reminders, control your smart home devices, and even get traffic updates, all hands-free. Need help planning your day? Ask Google Assistant for weather updates, suggest nearby restaurants, or even find out the latest news. Want to stay entertained? Request your favorite music, set up a movie night, or explore new podcasts. With Google Assistant, your personal entertainment hub is just a voice command away. But that's not all. Google Assistant integrates seamlessly with your apps and services, making it easier to manage tasks like sending messages, making calls, or checking your calendar. It's like having a super smart friend who's always there to assist you. Spiral Calendar Telephone Receiver. Ready to experience the convenience of having a personal assistant in your pocket? Download Google Assistant today and unlock a world of possibilities. For more tips and tricks, check out the links below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest from Google Assistant. Simplify your life. Amplify your productivity with Google Assistant.